At Charlotte Technical College, we're shaping the future of heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration, better known as HVAC-R. This program prepares you with the hands-on skills and certifications employers are looking for in one of today's fastest-growing industries. From day one, you'll dive into the real work, learning how to install, repair, and maintain the systems that keep our homes, businesses, and hospitals running. You'll master the tools, understand safety and environmental standards, and gain practical knowledge of electricity, refrigeration, and heating systems. Before you graduate, you'll have the chance to earn key industry certifications, including EPA 608 and HVAC Excellence, opening doors to high-demand careers. Our program emphasizes transferable skills, planning, problem-solving, teamwork, and even entrepreneurship, so you're not just job-ready, you're career-ready. Graduates step directly into the workforce as HVAC helpers, assistants, and installers, or continue their education toward advanced degrees through Florida State College System. HVAC-R professionals are in demand everywhere, and it starts right here at Charlotte Technical College.